I'm excited to share our latest innovation, IntelliShift AI Video. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. What does that mean to you? It means that this new video telematics solution leverages intelligence and machine learning directly in our hardware to analyze video content and notify you in real time when behaviors are deemed unsafe or high risk. Less sophisticated dashcam and video telematics solutions that do not offer AI require your staff to spend hours viewing videos manually to search for behavior they deem as unfit. Other solutions in the industry that offer AI that is cloud-based does not offer you real-time event detection the way IntelliShift does. To recap, our hardware-based AI approach is at the cutting edge of innovation. This allows IntelliShift to offer you a significantly higher level of accuracy, precision, and real-time event detection. The benefits of this solution helps operators adopt internal safety standards to reduce accidents and save lives. It also prevents a broader range of accident-prone behaviors and will increase the lifespan of your assets and ultimately will reduce settlement costs from false claims.